Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi barakatuh. Hello my dear friends, I hope you are fit and fine. This is Taslim. Today I am going to share with you about tense. You know tense. What is the tense? Tense is very easy for us when we learn easy way. That's why you have to learn tense with practice. We need practice. When we will practice every time, anywhere by using tense. Inshallah, we will in our future all the problem inshallah will be solved. That's why I think first of all we need practice. When we start any tense, first of all we make how no need to rules, no need to learn rules. It is subject plus verb plus object, is no need. First, you learn from your teacher, from YouTube. In this way, first of all, subject you learn. After that, with subject, use verb. It is be verb. It is V1, V2, and V3. Or V3, any. What you need, you first of all think and use. Then inshallah, day by day, inshallah, you will improve yourself. Thank you. That's why, inshallah, I every day share with you part of speech and another thing, inshallah, in all the video. That's why I think you have to practice. Inshallah, we will solve every problem, all the problem. Thank you. No more today. See you again.